China 78 Denver, take one.
Steve, marker.
How you doing? My name is Chris Berry, Product Manager at Clearcom, and we're going to go through and show one of our new products here at the show. Really exciting, the new Party Line product, HelixNet Party Line. HelixNet Party Line was conceptualized a few years ago, and a lot of the customers that have been using our analog product are really interested in moving their comms over to network architectures. They want digital audio, they want to move away from unbalanced audio. Hums and buzz and issues with the analog system is something that was causing a lot of issue, keeps a lot of time for the customers to have to troubleshoot, and ultimately the digital experience gives you all of those things and deals with the audio much better in a digital capacity. However, the infrastructure in the analog Party Line flows quite well. And to disrupt the workflow with a pure network-based architecture with power over Ethernet per se wasn't exactly what the customers were looking for. So as much as it was about digital audio, it was very much about the infrastructure. So Clearcom HelixNet Party Line works on standard microphone cable. You can use it on Cat5 if you use it as wire, but the beauty of that is you don't have to jettison your old infrastructure. You can use the same mic cable that you're using, and the beauty of digital is that all of the channels are in a single cable. So we have a 4-channel main station here, and all 4 of these channels are coming over a single cable. So some of the great features about the main station, it's very easy to use. And the signature piece of the HelixNet Party Line obviously is these beautiful OLED displays, high contrast OLED displays, so you can put in human readable text. So maybe the Sharpie and the gaffer tape might be going by the wayside. So these displays are there to give you a lot of diagnostics, level control, and interfacing with 2-wire, 4-wire program. So you're getting a lot more information and diagnostics about what's happening in your system here on these nice displays. The other beautiful thing about HelixNet Party Line is just like our analog system, it's very easy to use, very easy to understand. You have on the station this 4-channel, 4 key sets, talk, call, level control, very simple to use. The feature set is very powerful, but at the same time, it's simply administered here on the station. So we took these OLEDs and really spread them out so you have a nice waterfall display. Menu control structure, so you have a primary menu, secondary, tertiary, and then you make all of your edits here. So for example, if we wanted to go into channels and maybe change the label, you'd go in here, make your quick edits, save and get out, and then quickly if you wanted to change the edits, change the label on another channel to edit it, it's very simple to go over here to this display, you know where you are, go in, make your edits and get out. The intercom works while you're in the menu, so you're not down and do not lose contact with your comms network while you're into the menu system. This particular main station will control up to 20 belt packs. So the rear of the panel has 4 power line outputs. Each one of these outputs has all of the channels. So you have 10, these set of ports supports 10, these set supports 10 as well. If you took the cable and looped it back onto itself and you open the cable, since all the channels, all the ports have all of the channels, you do not lose any of your intercom. You don't miss a beat, and so it offers a level of redundancy. So in addition to the basics of power and audio over the same cable out to the belt packs, you have some very useful features such as a program in. On the belt pack is a 2-channel belt pack, so you have all of the channels at the belt pack, easily changing the labels. But in addition to the full duplex on the intercom, you have separate level control on the on the program port as well. So you don't have an intercom channel that has a program mixed into it. You have your full mix or mix minus coming in at a separate level control. The belt pack's super easy to use. It essentially acts as a source assignment panel. So if you went into the menu and you went into, say, belt pack settings, enter, you wanted to change left channel, right channel, you wanted to change the left channel from, say, video IMAG to lights, for example. When you come out, now you're on sound and lighting. So it's that easy to change. Something great for the rental market because you can give it, hand it out, it goes out there, and easily can be administered by anybody. You don't have to call and support the system. Works on standard microphone cables. All the splits are passive. You don't have to worry about active splits or anything else that might compromise the workflow. Various cable options. So in that regard, it's very flexible and ideally suited for the rental space. A couple of final features on the station. It has some basic GPIO. You have 4 opto inputs for perhaps a foot switch or relays out, so 2-way radio triggers or curtains, lights, that sort of thing. On the belt pack, if we latch a talk, we can get remote mic kill, so that's obviously a beautiful feature. All talk, and we mentioned previously about the SA. You have your panel speaker, individual control of the program, as well as your main intercom channel. So very useful features. Before we close up, we'll point to the USB port here. Obviously, it's a great hardware product, but as we move forward, it's really a software product. So as we develop more features and enhancements to the HelixNet platform, you can simply put a USB stick into the memory. It takes a few minutes. All of the packs are updated over the microphone cable, so again, no thinking involved, very easy to use. So we've got a lot of positive press at the show. The customers have been wanting a product like this for a long time. We've done an outstanding job developing and administering. Now we're going to have this product in the field here in a couple months. We've just won the Olympic Games, so all the sporting venues over there in London will be using HelixNet as the backbone of their comms infrastructure, so we're really excited about getting the product out into the field so everyone else can get their hands on it here coming up in June. So HelixNet Partyline, if you would like more information on HelixNet Partyline or any of our great products here at Clearcom, please visit us at www.clearcom.com.